the SEKL team HighLit, and my name is Joel.
My name is Abdu.
And I'm Aydin.
So now I'm gonna tell you about the main problem. So the background is with most people trying to achieve a lot of things at the same time, many people also will forget about their main usage of electricity without constant monitoring. And the worst part comes to it. Overuse electricity may actually result in fire, and it really is dangerous. So the solution is we made a system that allows for easy smart home and monitoring power usage that is accessible from anywhere and anytime via the internet. With also the addition of a set of sensors to act as a countermeasure system.
Our project is HighLit. HighLit is a system that will help everybody to carefully monitor and control their house home power usage virtually. It is also built in with a safety countermeasure following sensitivity throughout the entire system life and can be determined as safe and secure. The safe procession does include earthquake detection and a temperature sensor being set and programmed complement throughout the entire system. Sensor replacement as the one that is being needed isn't available on the web we use to simulate the project. The sensor we use is AC current sensor, current reader, and a relay module as the output example.
So moving on to the demonstration part. So as we can see here, when we run all of the system, but here we demonstrated using the virtual system, and then we already connected to the Blink application, which we already make the template. And then when we try to turn on each of the relays, connecting to LED and all the brushless motor, it alters on. And then here I'm showing you guys about the usage of this sensor, which is the accelerometer with included the temperature sensor. This is what we use to later on determine the condition of surrounding. And then here the one that circles, we have like a alarm sensor, alarm mechanism, and also the LCD to display all of the module. Here as we can see, because we don't have the AC and DC current sensor, we just replace it with the component that we have in this Walkway website. And then we just use this potentiometer to show you guys the current sensor is actually being working on and giving out the value around the kilowatt per hour around the LCD. We can see there, yeah, when we turn on the potentiometer, it starts to rise up, and then it turns the LED data also, and then it will send through the server from the Blink and then receive from the application. Here I'm showing both application where we can see on the website and also on the app that I already installed in my phone. So as we can see, it's very reliable, and then we already also have the relay and some function also. Here now I'm going to show you about the maximum power usage. This is like the most important function that we implemented. So we can basically set the maximum kilowatt hour into the value that we wanted, so that later on when the power or the watt is basically already moving on past through that maximum level, it will going to notify us, and we can immediately turn off all of the relay and to minimize all of the power usage anymore. So then here I'm showing you guys what happened if actually the gyro sensor on the accelerometer detect about the earthquake, where it will move around. And then here as we can see, there's like an earthquake alert, and then it will also send through the timeline on the app which state about the irregular stability. Earthquakes may have been occurred, turn off all appliance immediately. And then what happened when there is actually overheat around the component, as we can see here, it will also give irregular temperature and then need to do some specific action. Yeah, and also as we can see before, we also have the over limit power. That means that the power is already beyond the maximum point.
The end. That's all from us.
Thank you.
You.